song is all about lluvia, and lluvia is rain. Lluvia, 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 anímate a caer. Anímate means cheer up. Okay, if someone is down in the dumps, you say anímate, animate yourself, cheer up. Look peppy, look alive. So here we're talking straight to the rain and we're saying, come on, cheer up, you can do it. Cheer yourself up enough to caer, to fall. Like, go ahead and fall already. Go ahead and do it. Anímate, go ahead and do it. It's an expression of encouragement. So it can either mean cheer up or like, go ahead and do it. Just do it, as you might say to someone. If your friend is down the dumps, you might say, anímate. Or let's say you're just stuck and you don't want to do your homework and your mom comes and she's not happy that you're just stuck there doing nothing. She would say, anímate, mijo, anímate, mija. Come on, let's go, let's do it. Now, caer we've seen in our Soy una pizza song when it said, me caí. That was the past tense, I fell. Here's the infinitive, to fall. Okay, rain, 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 cheer up and fall, or do it already and fall. Anímate. It's a command telling you what to do. El suelo está partido. El suelo is the ground, is all parted up. In other words, cut up. It's parted up. It's sliced up. Partir, the infinitive, is to slice up. I'm going to partir the birthday cake. I'm going to partir the pizza. So it means to slice up. In other words, to cut. Okay, so that's the verb to slice up or cut, but in this song, it's in the past participle, split up. The dirt is already split up or cut up or sliced up from the lack of water, right? La tierra tiene sed. The dirt or the ground, tierra means dirt and soil and ground, has thirst. The dirt is thirsty. In other words, we're in a drought in this song. Okay, lluvia, lluvia, lluvia. Anímate a caer. Same repetition. Remoja nuestros labios. Remoja is the command soak our labios. We learned labios as lips when we did our body parts, our partes del cuerpo. Remojar, let me just go ahead and put this here. The infinitive to remojar is to soak with a lot of water. Mojar all by itself is to get wet, to get something wet. But to get something remojar, to really wet something down, would be to soak it. Okay, and then let's get back to the original. It was in the command form, soak our lips. We're telling the rain to come soak our lips. And to refresh our skin. Piel is skin. Piel is feminine because you can tell this is the feminine version of our. The adjective is feminine right now. And let's get it in Rosita to indicate that it's feminine. Piel is one of those nouns that doesn't give you any help. It ends with an L, and that's not very helpful at all, is it? So if we look, though, to the adjective and we realize it's feminine, then we know skin is feminine. Now, this is the verb to refresh. Refrescar is the verb to refresh, and that's a cognate. So it's in the command, refresh our skin. We beg you, inquire, in unison, chorally, all at once. We beg, this is in the we form, we beg you. The te is you. We beg you, inquire, in unison, all at once, with one voice, everybody talking at the same time. So let's go ahead and talk about the verb to beg. The verb to beg is rogar. The infinitive to beg, to plead, to beg is rogar. And right now it's in the nosotros form, the we form. And then we repeat, come on and fall already, come on and fall already. And then we go to gotas celestiales. Gotas are drops. Celestiales is heavenly, the adjective heavenly. Heavenly drops, heavenlies. Are worth more, valen is the verb to be valued at or to be worth, are worth more or are valued más que el oro. And we know el oro already. Te rogamos en coro. And then it just repeats, okay? And then we go to this part. This is all repetition. This part's the new part. Viento de los mares. Viento. Let's think about the weather. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Hace viento en el otoño. Hace viento en el otoño. Viento is wind. Wind from the mares, the seas, the oceans. Wind from the oceans, bring us your tesoro. Bring us your tesoro, your treasure. So our rival, Tesoro High School is Treasure High School. We've seen this verb before, trae. That's the verb to bring. We see it in many of our songs. I always make my hand look like a tray when I say this. This is the command, bring us. Do you remember our agua song? Tráeme agua para beber, tráeme pan para comer. Well, this is bring us. Instead of bring me, it's bring us. Tráenos, bring us your treasure. We beg you in unison. Let's get started with the música.
Lluvia, 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 anímate a caer. El suelo está partido, la tierra tiene sed. Lluvia, 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 anímate a caer.
And then let's go to remoja.
Remoja nuestros labios, refresca nuestra piel. Gotas celestiales valen más que el oro, te rogamos en coro. Anímate a caer. Anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate, anímate, anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate, anímate.
Let's see if this is the part.
Lluvia, 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 anímate a caer. El suelo está partido, la tierra tiene sed. Lluvia, lluvia, lluvia.
Oh, I bet it's the remoja.
Anímate
Let's
a
get back to the
caer.
remoja. There we go.
Remoja nuestros labios, refresca nuestra piel.
And now we go down to the bottom.
Viento de los mares, tráenos tu tesoro, te rogamos en coro. Anímate a caer. Anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate, anímate, anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate a caer, anímate, anímate.
Gracias, Stallions. Great song, isn't it? Makes you wish for lluvia. Hopefully we'll have mucha lluvia this año escolar. Ciao, Stallions.